Uncle Mark here with another quick video. We're just working on my Impala, my little project Impala, the 2010. You'll see different videos on it. Something real simple. The emblem on the trunk, the Chevy logo, doesn't look very good. Take a look at this. So I'm just wondering, can we get some tape, stripe, vinyl, something like that in a gold? That's something close to what it would have looked like, and just stick it on top of there and just trace it out and cut it up. I think we can. See if you can get some of this tape from somewhere. It might be almost as easy just to bring the car down to a stripe shop and get them to do it. I don't imagine they're going to charge you a whole lot. It's fairly quick. You'll see how long it takes. But here, let's see if I can do it and make it look a little better. Been a long time since I've done something like this. I got a little trimmer knife. There was the heat thing. I'm thinking if I just kind of... Oh, I knew this was going to happen. Oh. It's almost like putting it on top of a ball. Okay. So far, so good. Of course, if you're not handy, I guess you could just get a shop to do that. There's lots of stripe shops around. I'm going to use this as a guide. I wish this tape was a little thicker. It doesn't have to be perfect. Well, let's see how this is going to work. I need a little more light. That's going to be a little better. I think we're just going to start. Probably should have masked the whole thing. Don't really have to worry about cutting the paint because it's plastic. Not the paint, the emblem. Whoops. Got enough of it that if it doesn't turn out right, I can just do it again. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, it just has to be better than it was. Okay. Let's be those guys. Pretty cold in here, so I am going to probably have to heat it up after. Of course, trying to do this with the lighting and the camera in the way and whatever else somewhere. We have to do some heating there, or trimming. Wow. Goes another heater. I don't know how much this emblem is from GM. Imagine it's not cheap. Didn't need the whole emblem, we just need a little bit of the color. Of course, I guess this could scratch off eventually or something, but looking not bad. Come take a closer look. Well, there goes my light. What do you think? So what do you think, guys? Won't be so shaky now, because, well, not zoomed in like crazy. Is it better? I think it's quite a bit better. It goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. Be careful. Do whatever you can to protect yourself. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're a new subscriber, you have to ring the bell too. It's a little bell there so that you don't miss any of the latest episodes. It's easy to do. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.